this is actually the best vocal chain for 2025 actually. I made this chain for mixing your vocals. The first effect or plugin you want to put on your mixer track or your vocal chain is either you want to use the pictures, you want to use the wave tuner, you want to use auto tune, whatever tuner you want to use. That is the first plugin you have to put on your chain because it allows you to capture the vocal first before any processing is being applied. Then it pass through this tuner and goes to the next plugin, which is an EQ. I use the ozone just to cut off the low frequency. Nothing special is going on here right now. Just to cut off the low frequency from the vocals to remove those muddy sound. And the next is the EQ to adjust whatever frequency on the cutoff. Like this vocal, right? I want it to be very bright. I don't want it to be very muddy because the singer has a kind of a very deep voice. So this is what I did over here, and I brought in my DSs just to remove those painful SSs like I just brought in my DSs to clean it up, and then my compressor. So one thing about compressor, you don't want to over compress the vocal just to lose some important details of the recording or the performance of the artist. So I bring in my compressor later on after my DSs just to make sure it's not clipping and make sure that every frequency on the vocal is stable and consistent. There's something I like doing too. I use this for adding what's called warmth to the voice. Is a delay, but I'm not trying to make it delay. So I just reduce whatever delay effects and bring in the dry and the warmth. It has a step effect on the EQ chain that makes the vocal sound very, very like, I don't know if you know what's overdrive, like add this warmth feel to the vocal. Then I bring in my multi-brand compressor for consistency of the vocal. So if you turn on the auto gain right, what it does, it makes sure the whole vocal is parallel, that no frequency is chopped off. Maybe when the song becomes so heavy, like many sounds are playing in the song, this multi-band compressor helps you to make sure the vocals stand out in the mix. Then that's it. Then I add in my limiter just to make sure it's not clipping when multiple vocals come into play. It still remains on the gain level I want to be. That's what I did normally. And for the beat, not yet mastered, not yet mixed completely, but just take a listen and see how it sounds. So this is basically how the beats sound, but when I finish mixing the beats, it's gonna sound more better and clearer. But I just want to show you the vocal chains I used to mix those my vocals that sound so crispy and clean and clear. If you like the video, follow, subscribe for more. See you there and bye.